So disregard the last 45 seconds of the last video. I kind of wanted to show you how you can open up your student work and collaborate with that student as they're working on it. You would go to your classroom and you would click, they would have a file here. After you open up your assignment again, where it says instructions, then you would go to where it says student work. You would click on your student's work. I've already done that and I've opened it here. Here you can see where myself and Mr. Haste have left a comment for our student Imani to work. All three of us can be on the document at the same time, and the comments help guide Imani to complete the assignment, and we can see what her progress is as she is completing the assignment. As you can see, she has highlighted the I's, and Mr. Hayes has told her to highlight the error in the second sentence, and I have told her that she needed to rewrite the sentence. So that just shows you how to add a comment. How you add a comment is, for instance, I want her to highlight this I that she missed. I would highlight it, go to the, I would highlight the I, go to the little icon with the plus sign, add the comment, the word I should be capitalized. Then I would hit comment. That way she would know that she needs to go in and capitalize this I. Here, this function is the read-write function. This is really helpful for students who need human readers, highlighting tools, play and pause, and it can read the screen to you directly. They should know how to use this. It's very self-explanatory of how to use it. Okay, after you have modified their assignments, looked at their assignments, and they've turned them in, you can return it to your student so that they could revise their work or make their corrections. So you would click return. Or you also can enter the grades that student received here. I would put 2 out of 10 because she did not complete it, and then I would post need to complete assignment and post it. She will see my comment. She will also then receive her grade, and she is able to resubmit if I return it to her. If you do not want them to resubmit it, you do not return it to them. Okay, so if you need any help with anything else, please feel free to call me. I can help you go through it. I know this video was just poorly planned, but I tried to get something out to you as soon as I possibly could today. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call. Thank you. Bye-bye.